guys, we're back with another video. Me and Max here. So today, I have a couple more Target boxes. They have been having different ones online, so I got a couple more to show you. And then I got a Walmart box in the mail. I haven't gotten Walmart in a while. I don't know what happened. I don't know if they stopped sending them. I don't know if something messed up on my end. I don't know. But this is the first one I've gotten in at least 6 months. Alright, so let's go through Walmart first since I don't get it very much. And yeah. First thing we have in here is a Colgate Optic White Renewal Toothpaste. I actually use the Colgate Optic White, so that's pretty cool. These are very handy. If you run out, you can always use a little one. If you're traveling, of course, anything like that. The next thing I have here is Dove Care Between Washes Go Active Dry Conditioner. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Does it mean it's a dry shampoo? They're just calling it conditioner? Which is what I'm thinking. It just sounds cooler, I guess. Oh well. Then we have the NYX or NYX Makeup Crew. If I could get it open. I kind of tore it. Oh, so it's a lip. They're like lipsticks, not so much balm. We got a matte and then we got a metallic. Guess it'll be. I can't really open that right now or I'd get them out. Next we have the Curel Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer. Those are always handy. I like to throw those in my purse. Then we got the Bausch and Lomb Lumify Eye Drops. And that's what that looks like. Let's see. And then we got a little card. I think the rest is just coupons. Let me look. Not even. Just a card. Just a card. The other thing is the Dove has coupons. So that's the Walmart box. And get that out of the way. Then we have a Target box. I'm going to go through these kind of quick just so this video isn't like 10 hours long. It says clean routine. Again, this is all the stuff and how you use it basically. Then a $3 coupon at the bottom. So we have, first thing I see in here is a Hello. I think it's Hello Bello. Anyways, Hello Charcoal Infused Tapered Bristles Naturally Friendly BPA Toothbrush. That's kind of cool. It's charcoal infused. It's supposed to be good for your teeth. I've never used one of those charcoal where they make your teeth all black. This is a Hello Hemp Seed Oil and Coconut Oil Toothpaste to try with your new toothbrush. That's kind of cool. Give that a try. I got another one of these, what is the brand on this? La Vanilla? And it's a healthy deodorant. It smells really good. I smelled this in Sephora, but I've never used one. I had something else, La Vanilla. I think it was a hand cream or something like that. And the vanilla scent is really nice. That smells really nice. It's like vanilla soap. Nice. Then we have the Art Naturals Moisturizing Brightening Formula Vitamin C Serum. It's a pretty good amount. And last we have Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Milk and White Jasmine Hand Cream. Again, throw these in my purse. I really like the Love Beauty and Planet brand. Next we have Spring Into Clean. Max isn't impressed, by the way. He likes when there's food, but we don't have any food this time. We have a Cure Resurfacing Overnight Glycolic Treatment. It's pretty cool. It's like a little squeezy tube. Try that out. Glycolic might be too harsh, but I'll try it out. Then we have a Spring and Vine Shampoo Bar. Scalp Soothing, Tea Tree, and Mint. That's pretty cool. I'm going to give this to Mark because, oh, it has a, you can actually still smell it through the thing. I guess the brand is Spring and Vine. That's pretty neat. I'm going to give that to Mark to use because he's not like a shampoo guy. but I think the bar would be a little better. Plus the tea tree will help with the scalp. Then we have the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm. I've had this before. It's okay. It's nothing great. I wouldn't write home about it, but it works for what it is. Shea Moisture Skin Rescue Cream Cleanser. Kind of excited for that. Cream cleansers are good if you have dry skin or sensitive skin because they're not as harsh, and they still like do the job. Then last in the box we have Pacifica Glowing Glycolic Acid Orange Vanilla Makeup Remover Wipes. That's pretty neat. I'm kind of curious what they smell like. I don't see the opening thing. There we go. It doesn't smell very strong. It's very light. Oh, shoot. Look, they didn't seal the bottom. Are they dried out? No, but I'm going to have to put them in something else. They when they were making the package, it messed up and didn't seal the bottom. Alright, so that's all I have for you for today. Nothing here is for dogs. Although sometimes I will put like hand cream or lotion on him just to make him smell good. And it, it doesn't hurt his coat. It's just going to help blow moisturizing. He's not impressed. Alright, that's all we have for you guys for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.